So I just want to do a quick unboxing. I've actually already taken these items out of the box here. And these are the liners for the insides of the doors, of the door panels for the Cybertruck. So I'm going to get these unwrapped and then we're going to get them in the truck. All right, now for a quick installation, this is the passenger side rear door, and I simply take the insert here and drop it into place. Now, of course, you'll notice there's no way to get at that emergency release, so you would need to take this back out and get to the panel underneath to pull the physical emergency release on the rear door. On the front door, again, it's very easy, just slides right in, and there you go. Should help protect in case you have anything spilling in here. Want to keep the insides of your doors clean. So there you go. Very simple to attach these devices and give your doors a little bit of door panels, a little bit of extra protection inside.